Welcome back, Celebrity Family Feud, everybody. Howard family got 86. Low family not on the board. Give me Cheryl. Give me Mira.
Let's go! 86! Let's go. So nice.
All right, guys, here we go. We got top 6 answers on the board. Grandma said, the last time I made love in the backseat of a car, I broke my what? Mira.
Hip.
Broke my hip, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. We're gonna play.
Respect. All right.
Evan?
Yeah.
Well, we got hip, bone, and spine already gone. Grandma said, last time I made love in the backseat of a car, I broke my what?
Come on, Evan. My back.
My back. That's the spine. Spine is the back. Okay. What else she break?
That's it?
Last time I made love in the backseat of the car, I broke my what?
Come on, Evan.
266 bones in the body.
You know what? Any bone. My soul.
Broke my soul. Well, I was in the backseat letting them have it. God, broke my soul. Grandma broke her soul.
Oh, it's all right, it's all right, it's all right, it's all right.
Hey, Ross, can't say any more bones, but Grandma said last time I made love in the backseat of the car, I broke my what?
Back seat?
I like that. Broke the back seat.
Wow.
Grandma back there bringing some pressure, boy. You broke the seat.
That's when cars were sturdy, too.
All right, dog. Grandma said last time I made love in the backseat of the car, I broke my what?
She broke them dentures.
Grandma knocked all her teeth out. What was Grandmama doing? Not Grandma broke her damn dentures. Grandmama just, woo! Dentures.
Come on, bro!
I'm embarrassed.
Now I know the game up.
I can't even make eye contact with my grandmama after that. Terrence, Grandma said last time I made love in the backseat of the car, I broke my what?
It has to be, I broke my heart.
Oh. Wow. Well, Grandma in there, you tore your soul out, man. Well, break your heart. Mira, darling. We gotta be careful now. We got 2 strikes. The Lowe family could steal. Mira, Grandma said last time I made love in the backseat of a car, I broke my what?
Glasses.
Broke my glasses.
Oh, yeah.
Glasses.
Yes! Pull it out. You got it. It's your turn.
Evan don't ever look like he got an answer, does he?
No.
Evan just be going, damn. Hey, Evan, I'm gonna just start easing on over this way. How about that? Evan, Grandma said last time I made love in the backseat of the car, I broke my what?
My toe. That's what I'm talking
Broke my...
It's a bone, it's a bone.
That's a bone?
That's a bone, too.
Maybe he was talking about just like the fat
man.
part. Got another one?
My man. Broke the whole man?
Broke my man.
I like that.
Yeah,
Broke the whole man.
Grandma broke
like that.
him.
That's a good answer.
Wow.
He'll never be the same.
Oh, wow.
Him, the man.
Oh, it's all right, it's all right, that's all right. He made it all.
All right, family, here we go. Grandma said last time I made love in the backseat of a car, I broke my what?
Nails.
I broke my nails. Nails. Whoa!
We'll take it.
I'm taking it.
Wow.
What is it?
I thought that would be up there. Number 5.
Zipper.
Whoa.
Grandma?
What?
3.
Jewelry.
Well, Howard team got 170. Low team not on the board, but the goal is 300 points. We got a long way to go. So don't go away, everybody. We got a good one. We're playing Celebrity Family Feud.
Your ass on YouTube.
Your whole damn family on YouTube. Your whole damn family gonna be on YouTube. This about to be on YouTube.
I'm gonna end up on YouTube.
Oh, my dear gracious.